Hey everybody, just a little update on the 1938 Plymouth. It's Saturday night and I'm tinkering in the garage again. Fired up the Plymouth after I did some more work today and brought it out just to warm it up again and let it run. Make sure the work that I've done so far is progressing along as I expect. As you can see, we have working headlights again, which is nice. Not quite as bright as I'd like yet, but I have not wired them up to a relay system yet. I'm still using the original wiring, the wiring schematic and the layout. I replaced the wiring, but they're not that bright. So I'm planning to put relays in. The car's running nicely, and we've got interior gauges working, as mentioned. Pretty happy with the progress there. And I wanted to just kind of say that it's exciting when you can fire up the car and drive it as you progress with your work. It's rewarding, and it makes it I don't know, it just keeps you engaged. When it's fun when you can do that. Move along, do some work, fire the car up, take it for a drive, bring it back in, do some more work. I quite enjoy that. Again, rear tail lights are working. We've got a functioning tail lamp. It's all been rewired. New rear harness. Took apart those rear brake lights there. I took the housings apart, sandblasted them, cleaned everything, all new wiring, new connections, of course. Soldered all my joints, butt splices, crimps. I think it'll be good for another 50 years at least. So that's today's progress. I think the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the transmission. Talk about that in an earlier video, and I'm going to do that next. I think I'll jack it up and drop the tranny and put in some new seals and check the clutch, throw out bearing, all that good stuff, and maybe do another update video in a few weeks. There you go, 1938 Plymouth. She's purring again.